Hello, welcome to advertising channel again. Today our topic is regarding item highlight. We just noticed in a Silence Central while editing the listing that Amazon added a new tab of item highlight. Recently, I don't know what would be the exact date of introduction, but we just noticed a few days ago. We all know that Amazon is going to limiting the title of the item name to 75 character. But here Amazon added one another tab which is called item highlight, and it have few features restrictions. We can say it called restriction that what we can put here in the item highlight. We can add up to 75 character with spacing here in the item name tab, and in the item highlight we can add up to 125 character with spacing the product features. So if we come to the interrogative mark, then we can see provide product features or benefit driven phrases, not a full sentence. Information will appear only when the item name is under 75 character. So if our item is under 75 character, item name title is under 75 character, then we can add these features of the product. Okay, and what they mentioned, do not repeat information already in the item name. So in the title, those information we should not add those information which is already included in your title. So what we can do, we will add the features, ingredients of the products, features of the products, how many units we are selling, like that. If we see and how Amazon shows the title, we all know that after 27 July Amazon will apply on all sales rental this title to 75 character. Before it was 200 character. So we can see Amazon is showing our title like this. This part is from the item name, from the title, and after this part is from the item highlight. So this was the new updates. I just realized that need to share with you all, and we need to update on time all the titles. If we did not update our title on time before 27 July, then Amazon AI system will automatically update the titles. So we should take the benefit of the item highlight. Maybe mostly sellers don't know about this, but I just noticed this and realized that I should share with you guys. Thank you. If you have any topic and you want to create a video on it, please share in the comments. Thank you.